This that we're going to look at right here is a highly recommended accessory for vehicles.
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
The thing is, vehicles made since 2004 have a connector called OBD2 for the computer. It's normally located somewhere below the steering wheel depending on the vehicle. The OBD2 is used to read the computer of our vehicle in such a way that we can know data in real time and read some fault codes that are registered and finally be able to solve or have at least some idea of the problem. In addition to reading, decoding, and cleaning diagnostic error codes, the scanner can display the engine speed and car speed in real time, the temperature of all fluids, current fuel and air consumption, throttle position and pressure in the fuel system, and much more. There are several versions of ELM327 with different connection interfaces. They differ not only in connectivity, but also in compatibility with smartphones and computers. Bluetooth is the cheapest car code scanner that only works with Android smartphones. Wi-Fi is a more expensive version that is compatible with smartphones on Android and iOS and computers. USB is a bit cheaper than Wi-Fi scanners. They work only with computers, but reliable communications distinguish them. The Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanners are more comfortable, even though it doesn't matter what type of connection you select. So how do you use this OBD2 or ELM327? First, you have to install the diagnostic application in your cell phone. You can use various programs to connect the ELM to your car computer. There are both free and paid versions for Android, iOS, and Windows, and perhaps the most famous is Torque, that has a free and paid version also. Here are some recommended programs according to the type of vehicle or cell phone. Now, the next thing to do is plug in your ELM327 to the OBD2 of your car. The connector of the ELM327 adapter in cars is located differently, usually somewhere under the wheel or in the glove compartment. It may be even under the hood in some older models. You just have to find where it is, then connect the scanner in your computer. Next step is to pair your ELM327 and your cell phone or device. Here you need to turn on the ignition and establish a connection between the scanner and your smartphone or laptop. Activate Bluetooth or Wi-Fi in the settings and wait until the devices nearby are found. Choose an ELM327 adapter, usually called an OBD2. Connect to it. To pair, use the code 0000 or 1234. Finally, you run the installed diagnostic application. Typically, the type of adapter is detected automatically. After you select the OBD2 adapter that has been installed in the car, you will be able to see the vehicle data in real time. But what I use the most in my case is the option where the faults that we have in the vehicle are shown. So if any fault light appears with this device, it will give us a description of the problem, and you can find a slightly more accurate solution, and also maybe even delete the errors, giving you more time to find a professional solution for the problem.
Facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're with my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior.
In short, it is a fairly simple, portable, functional piece of equipment. It doesn't cost much and you can avoid a huge headache. Additionally, if you want to know if it is compatible with your vehicle, there is a lot of information on the internet about the models and their compatibility.
I'll always be a bit superior, get off of me. This ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Hope you found this video helpful and has given you enough information about the ELM327 or OBD2 scanner and how to use it. If you have any questions or experience you might want to share, just leave it down below. I appreciate your time watching this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Ciao.